The team that designed Google Forms evidently really likes the color purple, because every time you create a new form, you have a giant purple banner at the top of your screen. In this video, we're going to talk about how to design your form to look more visually appealing. That will encompass the theme of your form, as well as inserting some page breaks and headers as well. So the most impactful thing that you can do to improve your form design is by clicking on the Painter's palette icon up at the top of your screen. You can select from any of these colors, and that will change the banner at the top of your screen. Or if you'd like to add an image, you can click on the image icon. Google has developed a variety of images and backgrounds for your form. These are all really nice. They're specifically designed to fit the width, the narrow width at the top of your form. So the first thing I would do is look through their existing templates and see if you can find one that will work for you. If you cannot find one, you are able to upload your own photo and create your own custom theme. It's a little bit limited, however. I'll add a picture in here. You don't have a lot of control over how your photo is cropped or what primary image your Google will grab. So I have this taco image that I got, and so I'm going to use that as my banner. I'm just going to pull that up. It's going to allow me to select an area. However, this is very general because your form may be viewed on a iPhone, a tablet, a widescreen computer, a TV. You have no idea, and Google will automatically adjust that header image based on the screen of your viewer. So you cannot rely 100% that that's exactly what they're going to see. They could see a little bit more or a little bit less. I don't recommend adding text to your header image because it's so unreliable about where that text is going to be cropped off. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and it's going to add that to my form. And in addition to adding the image to the top, it is going to grab a color from that image, and there's no way to predict what color that's going to be. In this case, it grabbed the green, kind of that avocado color, and it's going to add that color as kind of an accent throughout. So when I view my form here, you'll see the color shows up on the sides, and then even when I select an item, it's going to turn that color as well. Unfortunately, there's no way to change that color. It grabs it automatically. So that's the most impactful thing you can do, is just by changing your header image. Now, you can style your form even further by adding in sections and titles. So I might go down here to, this is my order area, and I'm going to put in a section title, and this is going to be taco order form. This isn't an actual question. It's more of a design element. Now, if I view my form again, you'll see it's going to add this kind of banner in the middle of my form. It's helpful for separating out different areas of your form to communicate, okay, now you're going to fill out biographical information. That's a simple one. Again, it's going to pull a color from your image. You don't have any control over that. The other thing you can play with, it's a little more advanced, is the section block. It works in a similar way, except that it actually separates your form into two parts. So I can do taco order form, and now when I view this, I'm going to have two parts to my survey. So my first couple, name and first question, I go to the next spot, and it's going to now give me the survey. Just a different way to break up your form. If you have a long form, that's a helpful way to break it into sections so it doesn't seem quite so lengthy. Those are a couple of ways to make your form look good. The header image and page and section breaks.